G'day traders, it's Jason here from Divergence 101. Let's see, do we have some divergence today somewhere here or there, or maybe everywhere? Look at this shit right here. Oh my god. Talk about a typical Monday chop shop. That's what I call that. Well, you see, if I didn't have these levels on here, see? 14,600. There's some people, they just go, oh, why is it bouncing there? Oh, because it did the previous two lows here? No. They bought it off the 600 level here. They bought it up, and they bought it up again here, and they bought it up, and they bought it up here. I don't know how many times. Up, down, up, down, up, down. Make a song out of that. Anyway, let's take a look at the divergence setups, okay? Not support and resistance. Okay, here we go. Did we have divergence up here? Oh, I think we did. This is... Oh, this just keeps moving fast on me, huh? There was a setup. It was right here. See it? See it, ladies and gents? Let me show you. Even though we don't usually cover this, but there's not really much in the U.S. session because they did a chop shop deal today. Okay? All right. Let's do this. Put the arrow on here. All right. There's that trade. Buy long here. Stop would have went here. 13 points. If you wanted to add on another 5, well, brought it down to about 18 points. Your stop down here. Did it go up 18 points? Yeah, it sure did. The first run up and then pull back, then run up, pull back, run up. Went up a total of 42 points. That was divergence. That was good. That was really good, man. Gotta love that. Then we have a high and a higher high. Hi, how are ya? And then, even though it kind of doesn't look like it, it's divergent, man. It's divergent. There, perfecto. Does it line up? Yeah, see, right there with that one, and right there with that one. So what does that mean? That means there was sell divergence. Yeah. So somewhere you would have jumped in here, either on the opening of this candle or somewhere as it was falling, because it didn't really give us a slow enough turnaround. Instead, they just smacked it down, right? So we'll take it from right here, where I would have entered, okay? Stop would have been around 30 points. Did it go down 30 points? 28. You know, the thing with trading is you can't say, okay, I'm going to put my stop here, or I'm going to put my take profit here. It doesn't mean it's going to go there. So you got to manage your trade along the way. See, because there's little hills, and then down the hill we go, then up the hill, then down the hill, then up the hill. You got to manage it. So once it broke down here, if you'd have my indicator on there, you would have took profit here anyway, because it's a major number, 14,600 level right here. So you would start moving your stop. So once price was down here, you would have moved your stop right down here and locked in, you know, 10 points or whatever, right? That's how you do it. And if you decide to take it when it comes back down again right there, then you take it there. That's it. Okay. I don't teach money management in here. Basically, I just say 1-to-1 win-loss ratio. I don't teach that because that's a financial advisor's job. If you don't know how to do money management, then seek advice from a financial advisor. I would advise, but I don't advise anything because I don't want them coming after me. The SEC What's his name? Gary Gensler. That guy. Gary. Oh my God, I might get kicked off my thing here now for just to mention his name. Oh, Modsy. If they do, they do. Whatever. I just do this for the love of trading. I love divergence. I have a great passion for trading. That's why I do this. I'm not doing it for money. Since I started this back up again, nobody's, took the opportunity to pick up a copy of my Forex Divergence course, but hey, that's okay. That's your choice. Okay, doesn't matter to me. What do we have here? We have a double bottom, right? See? Right there. And we have that there. Actually, there was a trade, I believe, in here. It's just kind of hard to see. We have a low and a lower low, right? And if you take it from here up to here, let's see if that lines up. Okay, this one, same deal. That one, the one beside it, yeah, whatever. See, right there. So there would have been a buy in there. Buy it, 15-point stop, and it went up 15 points. And then now, just looking at something here. Oh, there's even there's even another one right here. Right here, man. Crazy. Lots of divergence today, ladies and gentlemen. Right there. You would have bought in there. Lots of trades today. Right there. You would have bought on the opening of that candle. Right there. 19 points. Oh, look at that. 20 points. You would have got your 1-to-1 win-loss ratio. Yeah, now here's the open, right? The wicks. When you see a body of the candle in the middle with a long wick on top of it and a long wick on the bottom of it, you know what that tells you? I call that a baton. You ever see those chicks there? They're not really chicks. They're like 14. They're young girls. How they flip their baton? The batons? Yeah. That's what that is. When you see the batons, look, there's there's four batons right here. That means run! Run, Forrest! Run! Don't trade! Run! That's what that means. Okay, and we had another trade up here, but I'll have to remove the line to show ya. Right here. We got highs and higher highs, right? Yeah, we do. We do. Let me pick that up, place it on there, put it over there. That's divergence, man. Yeah, man. Right there. Boom. You would have sold right there. Your stop would have been up here, 22 points. Oh, almost got it there, but then went up, freaked you out, went up, freaked you out. And you definitely got your 1-to-1 win-loss ratio. We have a low and a lower low, but guess what? We don't have a lower low here. We have it's a lower low. It's supposed to be a lower high up here. So there was no trade to buy this back up. But we had enough trades here, right? Yeah, we did. Okay, let's move on. Let's move on to the Dow now. All right. Well, I myself would call this like a double top. Even though it's not perfect, there's a spike through there. And when you always see that they sell off of a major price level, like 34,000 right here, okay? That's just telling you, hello. It's like, sell, man. They're going to do it. Why don't you do it too? You know? Right there. Sell. It's actually the one beside it, but anyway, there we go. Sell there. And I would put my stop up here, 34 points. Went down 80 points. You got your 2-to-1 win-loss ratio. Look at this head and shoulders, or inverse head and shoulders. See that? Here's the head. Here's the left shoulder. Here's the right shoulder. Where did it go? It went up. That worked well for those head and shoulders traders. Okay. What do we got here? Yeah, we have divergence up here too. It's like high and higher high. Way up there. Yeah, I know. Actually, no, I'm trying to skip something here. That's not right. I got to show the losers. Because there's always losers with the winners. The trick is to have more winners than the losers. Okay. Okay, where's the arrows? There it is. There it is. Okay. So you would have sold right there, and guess what? It didn't give you 24 points. It gave you 18, and it went back up, and it would have hit your stop. That's what it would have done. And that's it. I'm not looking at anything else. It looks like a mess. I don't see no divergence really anywhere in here. So they gave you a winner of 80 and you lost 25. So you made 55 points. You're still good, man. You're still good if you did both trades. Okay, let's look at, oh God, the S&P. Oh my God, that's bad, that's bad. Look at that, it likes that VWAP. It likes to come up and go, give it a kiss and then sell off of it again, eh? Here we go, high and higher high. There's divergence over here too. Got to show you both setups. Okay, right there to right there. And right there to right there. You would have sold it up there. You would have sold it in there. So you would have got short there. Stop would have been, this is S&P, yeah, 3 points. It went down 10 points. There was actually a trade right here too. Hard to see divergence. Gotta show you. Gotta show you. It's like that. And just like that. You would have sold right in there. Right there, sell. If you waited for the retrace, that's the best sell. 19, or no, 2 points. 2 points. And it went down 4 points. You know, this one was golden too. They were all good. All 3 trades. Yeah, let's look at oil now. Oh, look at oil. What do we have here? Okay, we're just going to look here. Okay. So this is a double top. Even though it's not perfect, even though you got a spike through it, it's a double top. Trust me on that one. And you would have got in right there. Boom. Your stop would have been 48 points with 5 above it. 50 points, let's say. There's 70 points. There's 100. There's 150. So you got like almost 3-to-1 win-loss ratio. And look here. See, we have a low and a lower low. No divergence because I need the 5 to be above the 7 to enter the trade. So there was a cross up, what I call a cross up, right here. But it wasn't divergent. Like, I know everything looks good with the lower lows, but this came down the same way. It needs to come up like this. And it didn't. It went down. So there was no divergence to buy. However, if you do trade crossovers, cross ups, and cross downs, this is a cross up. The 5 crossed up over the 7. So if you got long here, guess what? You did good. You're making like 50 points right now on a crossover. Crossover with my filter that I don't talk about. It's in my course. Okay, let's move on to the next one. Pound yen. Alrighty then. let's just look from here. There was a trade here too, actually. I'll draw them all in. What the hell? Here's one. Here's one. No, not there. Right here. See that? See, it actually goes where I thought it, where I was looking to put it, right there. So you would have sold right there after the 5 crossed down below the 7, and price smacked down and closed below there too. And it closed right at support here. See that? And if you took the chance and sold it, you were good. 18 points, 36 points. 18 and 18 is 36, right? It is. And then we had more divergence here. Did we have divergence to buy? Actually, we did. See? Lower lows. I got to show you the losers. Nothing's all about winning here in this game. It's a zero-sum game. Yeah, that's right. That's right. So you would have got in here. Right? Buy long here. And it never went anywhere. I would have got out probably by here. I would have just took the loss or took the 2 pips or whatever the hell I made. And I would have said, nah, this isn't working out. And I would have got out. Look at that sidewinder, right? Look at that shit. It's freaking shit. And then we had another trade. See, right there. Boom. So even if you did get out right here at the pivot with a little bit of a loss, well, you got out. So you lost. Say you lost. Got long there. You lost like 8-9 points. Pound yen. Pips. Pips, ladies and gentlemen. So you would have sold it right here. Right, getting out of the buy and doing a sell, and down it goes 40 points. Okay? That was good. That was good. But there's losers with the winners. Can't all be winners, right? Let's look at the euro yen now. Oh, yeah. Oh. Okay. Remember, you can draw it wherever you want, as long as it's higher than here. Let me see here. Yeah, right there. And you take it from here to here. And we put the arrow on. And you would have sold in here. Went down 29 points with a 14-point stop. That's 2-to-1 win-loss ratio. Then we had a low and a lower low, just like the pound yen, except we had a winner with this one. Sorry, I just got confused there for a second. Okay, right here. We would have bought here, and the stop would have been 22 points. Oh, it only went up 12. Oh, well. Maybe you would have made a few pips there. Maybe you would have got out right here at break even. Once it crossed back down here, see? Yeah. Here's a double top. And you would have been selling right in here after the 5 crossed down below the 7. And so did the price. So you would have got short here. Your stop would have been 10 points. Went down 24 points. So you would have broke even on this one. You would have made on this one. Broke even or lost a little on this one. And this one, 24 points potential. Doesn't mean you would have got 24 points, but that was the total potential. Now, there's a trade here too. It's very slight, but it's there. Double bottom. Divergence. You would have got long right there. Stop would have been about 14 pips. There's the 14 pips. If you held on, well, there's 35 pips. And what do we have up here? Up here. Double top. Double top, baby. Just like that. And you would have got long, or short, I mean, right there. Stop would have been 11 pips. You would have got your 11 pips already. All winners. Oh no, this is a break even. Winner, 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 winner. Chicken dinner. Let's look at gold. Gold just sold off today. Oh, look what we have there at the bottom. What we have at the top is this. We have a hard to see divergence. Hidden divergence. Right up there. See, right there. See the little blue doodah? There we go. That confirms it. It would have confirmed it anyway, but and you would have sold it right there below the pivot. Right there. Stop would have been up here, 42 points, I guess he's call it. And it went down 137 points. Now, do we have divergence somewhere down here? Oh, yeah. We do. Double bottom. Right there. See that? Whoa. And it worked. It worked, man. Right in here. Get long, baby. Stop would have been 36 points. You already made your 36 points. It went up 46 points so far. And let's now look at the last instrument of the day, which is the pound. Woo, they sold off the pound. I need some aqua. Okay. We have a high. Let's take it from here. High, higher, high, and even higher high. Hi, how are ya? Yeah, the native people, really nice people, man. I know I grew up with some of them, went to school with some of them. Up north where I come from. And they're the nicest people, I tell you. They would give you, if they think you needed a shirt more than they did, they would take the shirt off their back and give it to that person. That's how nice these people are. And our government went and stole the land from them. Or sold it to them for a couple of smokes and a 40-pounder of whiskey. Firewater. Yeah. Very sad what they did to them up here. Anyway, went down 80 points. The pound dollar. Big sell-off for some reason. Don't know what. So the stop would have been 14. Went down 80. You know what's really crazy? And I've seen this, like at least 2,000 times in all the... I started trading Forex in 2005. September, I even remember the month. Crazy memory I have. But I don't remember something from 20 minutes ago. Anyway, so how many years is that? 18 years I've been trading Forex, and I want to show you over and over and over again, there's a move of around 100 pips. And it keeps happening over and over and over again. Why do you think that is? The only reason I can think of is manipulation. Anyway, thanks for listening. Thanks for watching. Good luck and good trading. We'll see you tomorrow on Tuesday. Unless they boot me off.